Alright guys, once again I want to welcome you back to Trending Nigeria, and it's in that Nnamdi Kanu has used another style to stop the judgment of Federal High Court, which is slated for 20th of November. So Nnamdi Kanu has approached the appeal court to stop the judgment of the Federal High Court. As you know, Nnamdi Kanu trial has reached the judgment level as Justice Omotosho has announced 20th of this month, November 20th, to deliver judgment. But Nnamdi Kanu has approached appeal court for them to stop this particular judgment, and I'm going to give you the key points of Nnamdi Kanu appeal to the appeal court here. So let us check the highlight here. So Kanu petitions the Court of Appeal. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has approached the Court of Appeal in Abuja seeking to halt further proceeding in his ongoing terrorism trial at the Federal High Court. Kanu requests to stop judgment. Nnamdi Kanu's application seeks to stop Justice James Omotosho from delivering judgment scheduled for November 20, 2025, pending the outcome of this case. So Nnamdi Kanu has appealed to the appeal court to stop the judgment, that is November 20 judgment of the Federal High Court. Don't make that judgment. Pause pending the time you will hear this my appeal. And also challenge over jurisdiction. So one of the key points of Nnamdi Kanu appeals to the appeal court is that he urged that the trial court fail to rule on the objections regarding its jurisdictions to hear the case. So Kanu has argued that, oh, this trial that you are doing, you don't have the jurisdiction to do so. So, but the Federal High Court insists that they have the jurisdiction, they are going to continue the judgment. So this is part of what Nnamdi Kanu has written in his appeal to the appeal court. And also alleged neglect of evidence evaluation. Kanu said that the trial judge ignored discrepancy revealed during cross-examination of the prosecution witness, which he believes weakened the case against him. And he also said dispute over no case submission. Dispute over no case submission. He faulted the court handling of the no case submission, saying the judge refused to decide whether the charges had any merit before proceeding. Denial of right to present defense witnesses. Kanu revealed that although he submitted a list of defense witnesses, the court refused to allow them to testify, stating objection will be addressed only at judgment. Claim of fair hearing violation. He insists that the trial court refusal to rule on objections and prevent his witnesses from testifying violated his right to fair hearing. Warning against unlawful conviction. Kanu warned that proceeding with the judgment could lead to an unlawful conviction, depriving him of the chance to challenge the case properly. Appeal not prejudice any party. He noted that granting his request for a stay of proceeding would not harm either party, emphasizing that the case has dragged since 2015 and only resumed this year. So these are just the key points of Nnamdi Kanu written appeal to the appeal court to stop this impending judgment, the judgment of November 20. All right, guys, what do you see? Do you think that the Federal High Court in Abuja, right now presided by Justice Omotosho, will entertain this appeal to also allow the appeal to conclude before any judgment. So if you follow this appeal very well, you will find out that there's a lot of points Kano raised here. All right, guys, what can you say about this? I believe we should continue the discussion in the comment section, and don't forget to join us here for more videos. Don't forget to like our content. Don't forget to share it. And most importantly, please and please make sure you subscribe here and turn on the notification button to always get our update. I will see you in another video.